wall taking pictures. This dude wanted to take a video with the track hawk. That mother throw up money. I'm finna go pick that junk up. That junk going there well.
Look at this shit. Fucking tornado out this bitch. You gonna recover about $5 of that shit.
Heck yeah.
Them hoes brand new too. He went to the bank and got that.
I can hit them close. I can hit the dollars scraping real close. I said I can hit the dollars scraping real close.
Yeah, them bitches all back there. Them hoes in the tornado. Them hoes in the tornado. Alright, so let's go on the other side.
Okay.
Take some pictures right here and then we're gonna go in that field and I'm gonna do the drone shit.
Okay. Outside today. Y'all know it's gonna be winter time later on tonight. It's summertime right now. He gotta update the drone, so we don't want it to get away from us. I got something in the car. Thank you though. Actually, I need to go drink some. I'll chill while the drone updating. Sit in the AC. Y'all know how I do. What else are you? Want to say something? No. No. Turn the music down. Did it update it? It's updated? Did it update? Oh, still doing it? Okay.
I guess it can update while it's still fly while it's updating.
So you want to do that?
Huh?
I say, you sure you want to do that?
This ain't gonna go high or crazy. I can bring it home by myself.
Oh, okay.
Like, you don't have to, you know what I'm saying? Like, you can still bring it down manually.
She was the car knocked out. She be getting up
I
early.
think it was up there the other time too. See, look. Come on.
Okay, you can get out the car. I gotta get back on my YouTube. My little son started dropping videos probably like at least once a week right now. And then some I got a bunch of shorts on Instagram that I'm gonna put up. Gotta get back heavy on my YouTube stuff. I've been slacking too long. I feel like the whole last year I've been slacking. I'm gonna start putting out. I got a whole bunch of videos that I gotta edit too, because you know I don't be wanting to edit. So I be recording, but I don't be putting the videos out because I don't be wanting to edit them. But hey man, don't come next to me with that drone. I'm turn the camera around. Okay, see the drone. Oh, there it is. Oh. Drone's kind of freaking me out. I'm scared they can run into my face.
Yeah, again, I'm not even recording.
Anyway, basically I'll be throwing out some old videos up in there too. Been recorded. Man, you gotta figure out how to make it do the little sequence thing where it do it by itself. Hey, I'm all the way over there.
Behind me? Yeah, I went to John's house. I go over there.
He said I always be getting his videos. Hair going crazy. Sorry, so you gonna start your YouTube channel? Huh? Yeah? What you gonna have on it? Huh? Alright, so we up here getting some drone footage. And the drone flew into this building right here and it went down, and it's quite a ways down. We're gonna try and go get it, but like it's not even showing like a picture or anything, but it's a long ways down. So we about to go try and get it, because like all the video footage that we just shot is on there, even if it's broke. Might be able to. The video footage is on an SD card, so we might be able to get the footage even if the drone is a loss. Alright, we about to go try and find the drone. He only drove my car like around this little thing. Why he had to change the setting? I ain't gonna talk to him about it because he just fucked this drone up. So I just said, you ain't scared of it hitting any of these beams or anything over here? I don't know if y'all can see those beams. I don't know what just happened. Yeah, I was just saying, you ain't scared of it hitting none of these beams or anything? And then I seen I was like, it kept backing up. I'm like, it's about to hit the building, about to hit, and it boom, right into the building. Hold on. I hope we got some I hope we got like a warranty or something on it. Hopefully the warranty probably wouldn't be for smacking the building though. Hate to get up out of here. Wonder how much it's gonna be. We've been up here for a while. Alright, he just got out the car. It fell like right in between there somewhere. Turn. Of course, this is in the way. Alright, so it fell in between this building somewhere. It was right up here. It fell right in between this red and white car that was sitting right here. So you're going out, going over there to see if you can get it. See if he gets it. Of course, they're gonna pull up right behind me. Up here getting some drone footage, and the drone flew into this building right here and it went down, and it's quite a ways down. We're gonna try and go get it, but like it's not even showing like a picture or anything, but it's a long ways down. So we about to go try and get it, because like all the video footage that we just shot is on there, even if it's broke. Might be able to. The video footage is on an SD card, So we might be able to get the footage, even if the drone is a loss. I wonder did he get the warranty on it? All right, we're finna go try and find the drone. Put your seatbelt on, sorry. Grab it somehow. You think you can get it?
I'm trying. It's right there too, but I can hop that fence. But I don't know if I can hop back over that motherfucker. Hop back over this motherfucker because it ain't got nothing on the sides of that bitch. I don't want to be stuck over that bitch.
Oh my god.
Right there.
Guess this is the downside to getting good footage. I want to get out and get him to jump in the fence, but probably shouldn't. Oh, I need to change my light color too.
So here's the drone. We have damage on pretty much all of the blades. They're either cracked or chipped. Considering how far that motherfucker fell, you see the damage on the lens. I think the lens is broken. But considering how far that motherfucker fell, it's in pretty good damn shape. Well, it looks like it's in pretty good shape, but you can see it don't have no play in this. So so when we found it, this was popped open. This was cracked open. And some shit did fall out. But, yeah. But look-wise, it looks repairable. Look-wise, it looks very repairable. But I don't know. I gotta find somebody to work on it. But I don't know. That's the drone after a fucking 16-story fall. It's scratched up. But yeah, the gimbal is not abnormally loose. But like I said, all the wings are busted. Need to be replaced. But it comes with extra wings. But the problem is we can't turn it on. You see that button is jacked up. It's pressed in all the way. It won't even come back out. It's not supposed to be like that.